Need to print a document from LibreOffice. Whether you're working with a Writer document, Calc spreadsheet, or Impress presentation, LibreOffice gives you several options for preparing and printing your files. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print documents in LibreOffice in 2026, so let's get started. First, open the LibreOffice document you want to print. Review the content and make sure everything is ready before sending it to your printer. Check the page layout, margins, images, tables, and other important elements before continuing. Next, open the File menu and select Print. You can also use the Print button on the toolbar or the keyboard shortcut Control plus P on Windows. The Print dialog gives you control over the printer, pages, copies, and other available settings. Now select the printer you want to use. Then choose whether you want to print the entire document, specific pages, or a selected range of content. If your document is several pages long, printing only the pages you need can save paper and ink. Before printing, review the available settings for copies, page orientation, paper size, color, and other printer options. The exact choices can vary depending on your printer and operating system. Take a moment to check these settings so the printed document matches what you see on screen. Use the Print Preview or Document Preview to check how your pages will look. Look for cut-off text, incorrect page breaks, or objects that don't fit properly. If something looks wrong, cancel the print job and adjust the document before trying again. Finally, click Print to send the document to your selected printer. Wait for the printing process to finish, then check the printed pages. So your LibreOffice document is now printed and ready to use. And that's how to print documents in LibreOffice. Open your file, choose a printer, select the pages you need, review the print settings and preview, then send the document to your printer. Taking a few seconds to check the preview can help you avoid wasted paper and incorrect prints. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.